What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Car Guy Chronicles channel. Today we're not going to be doing any cool content. I'm honest, not a lot of Challenger content, just because there's no Challenger here. I'm sitting in front of my dad's 2017 Mustang though, however, GT of course, 6-speed. You'll be seeing more of this car on the channel as well, but for now we're just getting on to what the hell is going on with my Challenger. So I brought it in last week. We're having some issues with it's like a squeak. There's just a squeak going on, like a bird chirp or a cricket. It just sounds weird. When I'm slowing down, decelerating, you just hear like a chirp, 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 chirp. It's really strange. Whether in gear, in neutral, it does it. You'll hear me coming down the street, squeak, squeak. I don't like that. To me, my car is at 6,000 miles. It's 6 months old. It's $41,000. To me, really, whatever price your car should be, if the car is 6 months old and it's, it's brand new, it shouldn't make a damn noise. I expect that on a 20-plus-year-old car. I don't expect that on a 6-month-old car. So I brought it in last week to Dodge, University Dodge in Davie, and they told me it was bolts loose on a plastic piece under the car, the plate. I looked and I said, I think that's crazy because that wouldn't make a sound like that. But okay, so I took it home. The minute I pulled in my neighborhood, it started chirping again. So I immediately called my service lady and I told her I gotta bring it back Monday, which I brought it back this past Monday, and same result, they don't know what it is. So I did some due diligence and I looked on the forums, Challenger forums, and I saw a lot of people had said some issues either with the axle or with the active exhaust, the valve. Kind of like the valve is broken and a flap in the wind kind of thing, or I don't know. So I told them, and they're looking, and they're saying nothing is wrong with it. To me, again, you're a tech for Dodge. How do you not figure it out? You drove it around a billion times probably, which I hate bringing my car to any dealership because they probably drove it around a lot, and I'm anal like that. I don't want anyone driving my car. So we're dealing with this problem. I'm hoping to have some cool content for you guys soon. I'm a former GM owner, not to diss Mopar or anything like that. I love Dodge. I think great brand. I used to have trucks all GM. My turbo diesel Denali, I'll insert the picture right here. She was real pretty. I sold it to a firefighter, so I figured change it up. I've never had an issue with GM. My other GM vehicles were fine. So this is all new to me, all these issues. I mean, I already had a water pump crash, now I'm having this. So I'm learning to just deal with it. I'm at the point where it's just driving me crazy. I don't like that many problems, but it's only 2, so I'm gonna make an exception. So, long story short, I'm waiting to see if the active exhaust, I think they might change it out for me just to see the valve, to see if it'll fix it. I'm gonna hear back from them in about an hour or so we'll see what they say. But should have the car back by today or tomorrow, hopefully. I have a new part right next to me. I plan on having it on by tomorrow or Friday. Let's hope. I am excited because Sunday is Cars and Coffee, and me and Manny and our friends will be there. So, you'll catch us out there in Palm Beach. And let's see. Oh, we have a $200 giveaway on the channel, by the way. So all you have to do is subscribe on our channel and add us on Instagram at the Car Guy Chronicles. I'll have the link below. You gotta hit it, subscribe, follow, you're entered, that's it. There's no sign-ups, there's no nothing. You just gotta do that and that's it. So guys, get entered. It's $200. That's great. All you gotta do is click 2 buttons and you're done. And guess what? You're subscribed to a channel that's gonna provide you some kick-ass content. Hell yeah, brother. So come on guys, let's get going. But anyways, you guys have a great day. I'm gonna keep you updated. So have a great day. Thank you for watching the Car Guy Chronicles channel. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.